Want to be fit? Here are 5 quick tips for staying fit and eating healthy. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body functioning at its best. Extra tip: add a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water for extra flavor. Tip 2. Eat a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. Make sure to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. Extra tip: try to fill half of your plate with vegetables for every meal. Tip 3. Don't skip breakfast. Healthy breakfast ideas: oatmeal, eggs, smoothies. Don't skip breakfast. A healthy breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism and gives you energy for the day. Extra tip: include protein and fiber in your breakfast to stay full longer. Tip 4. Limit processed foods. Choose fresh over processed. Limit processed foods. Choose fresh, whole foods over packaged snacks to reduce added sugars and unhealthy fats. Extra tip: read food labels to avoid hidden sugars and unhealthy additives. Tip 5. Exercise regularly. Exercise 30 minutes a day. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week to boost your health. Extra tip: find activities you enjoy to make exercise a fun part of your routine. Follow these tips to stay healthy and energized. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and fitness advice. healthcarehub.io